Because when you accident, I mean, you're nurse, you're doctor. If they conduct their investigation and it is found out that, or then find out, say, oh, he was speeding, he was over speeding, and this thing happened, let the Lord deal with him.
First time, man say Kwadwo Sheldon ebuofu na auto bomb. We die. Ose wa wo beye no, obedwa ne ho e no wabo atwede. Ne nyina say amanfo e de nsemi tutu ne so. Enam Kwadwo cancer Lilwin before na one ne wo. Eni sesei accident a ato no ne de onan mu no. Abusuafo no mu bi e ba ne DM ne comment section e be ke cancel bi. Abusua ye de ne nyina no e be so mo. Me say say obekye wa adwanfa video a obehwe ho na we nso a wa share ama onua bi ensa atumi aka. Time heba mesha any pop art ena aso ya sene ya de video yi ebrel Kwadwo cancer Lilwin any Kwadwo Sheldon enya problem wo bra eye Kwadwo Sheldon any scanty any paradise e ko discuss a country called Ghana a trailer na 3 minutes omukoko review na ho ena comments bi a omude ba ye no anye Kwadwo cancer Lilwin de enti o hyase e mema warning
yeah Mr. Fifi Plat Kingdom FM the Poisonpa Medopa. But she interviews more than several times. Tambia on my quay, Eshada, and be about coming to dinner panatem. No, I have a tele, Chasso and Casa, O Jancasa, Mamma can we. Mama could you show the no Abatran cassette me? Sebi. Was asking home for Chemi. Ghana from Bacano cry. Sebi. Ghana for me now more be far chemia. Then the Kwadwo Sheldon. And I said, Miss Rami, moving now. I could grab us about officers and a natural. Kwadwo Sheldon. Sebi. Between put effort chem. I'm telling you, my dark rumble more for chem. You better add also in the move. Now, what dear? What dear? Now, what's our cabet say? Oh, baby, premium. Me no problem. I'm just waiting for the date 17th May. I can share chat. I'm just waiting for that day. So yes, I could do a bit my back. One name is a Fifi Plat. You come and Mamu Siasi. Other former church will be a Mamu say, Mammy near Kokuma no interview a year Kwadwo Sheldon. And I shall say 2 trains same be the ba. A curse in the book so be anyway. And the same time moving the baby swap or back at a pet at their found. Osaka send me say me bedene high pro man. Men now what they may high pro sabi YouTube say. Mistake abe and bekan what post to YouTube one number 100 something K. You have to appreciate me and say something to me. Say, Lilwin, sorry. But what's the meaning of I'm talking about say, where relation, a family, my colleague, and the phone you now. They my sons. We never relation. A family colleague, and the phone you now. But Lilwin, I'm talking about me. Send quite a relation, a family, and Kakana phone never. Could you go in can have me? But never. My movies back to back, baby, Kwadwo unkasa fa ho. Onsa, obi a opa mani powerful be make fun bi anseme. E ma mi ji kwase ni pa na e ka bone fa ho. Best know you. Tiniye. O say yabo. Ese. Obi antim ka say unsi pi me nase. Ade wa de a wato ticket no. Obi antim unsi ase. Obi antim nka nchiro. Let me tell you. Pimiana Kwadwo Sheldon wo woni misalogic scanty mamunsi pimiana si.
You call us, you let us understand why you think this is like this. Or you come to the studio and have a conversation. You don't just go out there and say you are going to beat me. First of all, you can't even beat me. You go how you can't beat me. How you go if you beat me, bro? Have you seen my head before? That's a weapon.
There be head and they forget
a weapon of mass destruction. I'll go head down, you go forget the script self.
Forget it.
Yeah, but my crime for bounces because I know I make pen. No, na Lilwin, no, na make shell and the person be disciplined upon belt and as a king, any of them. Now me chin and I'm boom.
Lilwin.
Kwadwo Sheldon enso ne kwaku manu interview bi ma no nso so ekse na adwen wo ho owie ye oni fifi prat enso ekodi nkomo enti the last time cry yeti Kwadwo Cancer Lilwin enka se obo Kwadwo Sheldon din no okopie mu Angel obra oni oboy siki ekonya saa encounter bi wo ho no na okoka say Kwadwo Sheldon ene Mr. Logic afre no apanechew which was false enema wagina so ejina chese Kwadwo Sheldon ene ni team ne de omuda omu ho so say Kwadwo Cancer Lilwin omu mo ni din mu platform so ne premier no omu nsi ase omu nya bibia efa ne ho se de be ya onkonkosi wo mu na abusua amanfo eba ni DM bibi ena obetwere kra obeye title no a country called Ghana anase bia bibi mpo a yesi ena Kwadwo Cancer nya accident no onka ho hwe ena de atoni other bloggers ka ho asem amanfo ye videos de fa Kwadwo Cancer Lilwin accident ho ode enti enra Kwadwo Sheldon ne bu ofu ni kokwa pai Kwadwo Black bese wabo gumbe ni kokwa pai a enye asemkuma abusia yenti ensem wa Kwadwo Sheldon de yamane wona ekeka ne ho nsembone wona edidi natem wona kire se Kwadwo Cancer Lilwin accident na wanya no onimhu bi anase ewose okasa na onkasa ye no wato amane saafo no nyina abusia yentie de Kwadwo Sheldon aka
one movie back up where this man they come release in this country now, bro. The country, like, bro, you won't make the country turn upside down. Publicity stunt after publicity stunt after publicity stunt. When you say it, they say you are hating. When you say it, they say he has invested 1.2 million into his movie, so you can't criticize. You can't say anything about the movie. No problem. From this to that, every day there is a story. One movie. Now movie nuclear gross saying. The premiere of the movie, not any concert. I say a gospel concert. One movie. Can you ever into one cancel comfort? Now accident conversation come inside. I'm sure people have seen the videos. Today, the guy was laid to rest. A 3-year-old. He was involved in an accident. That day he was involved in an accident. I was going to Cape Coast. Then the news popped up in the news feed. So people started discussing it and sharing the videos. The media, they listened to Payday. So I Payday. Last time a nigga said shit, his jaw broke. So I posted it. You had people coming in the comment section, coming to tell me, say, I tweeted that because of Lilwin's accident. Bro, comment section, you had people dragging me. I don't know, people figure, say me, I get that kind of time to harbor hatred for him. No. Me, the day he tell me, say, make I not talk about him. No. Listen to me. If you have followed my content or this platform religiously, I go, no, say, I know they involve myself in that kind of drama and things. No. And who hear me, bro? Me hear attention, don't find your shit. I have a lot of things that I want to do with this platform. I want to do with the people that I work with. I don't have time. I don't have that time. And who hear me? So sad drama. You see, there are some stories that you will see, say everybody they do then I jam my eye. Because it is not Kwadwo Sheldon like. Yeah, you set a standard to the level. Say, bro, bro, come on, bro. Me, I guess I'm not do me light. There are things, more important things that I'm thinking about, bro. I don't have time. If he was involved in an accident, this guy, what is this guy's name? This Long John, the blogger, sent me the video. I said, oh, Charlie, what happened? When he said this and they say, oh, Charlie, make you pray for him. The chat there, that be all. Because when you accident, I mean, me nurse, me doctor, me ambulance. The only thing I can do is, oh, pray for him, say, hopefully, it no go end up being that bad. That be all. I don't owe you a video. I don't owe you any explanation. Because once again, the person has said that we shouldn't talk about him or his movie. That's me one and said, Mamenka, what do you want me to come and say? Sometimes you people poke people, and when the person had warned us that we shouldn't talk about him or his movie on our platform. Otherwise, he go sue us. As accident happened, they come text me, they can't call me, say, really? people have enabled people to fool in this country to the point that people feel like they are untouchable. No, continue. Enable people. Continue. Give them funds to do it. We are all haters. Do it. I don't have a problem. But make sure, no, don't do that. Drag my name into some of these things. Name it Jimmy who again, bro. I have pressing things to deal with in life, bro. People they send me message. Hey, this is really unjust. Ghanaians, especially people in Kumasi and especially people in the blogging space like Wekumenu, GHP, Gossip 24, Zion Felix, Kwadwo Sheldon. This is because it's taking the queen of media, Fia Schwarzenegger, who is not even in the country, to call a spade a spade. She's the only one speaking the truth about the stupidity Kwadwo Lilwin did by speeding in the city and killing this little boy. This is a very sad and this is a very sad story. And fucking Ghana. This one yesterday I posted a video. Sake of someone's reckless driving into he has killed a kid and damaged his dad. Iowa Pompo is talking about test people, you are insulting me. Right now you want me to come and talk about Kwadwo Lilwin getting an accident or involving in an accident and killing someone's son? Let me keep quiet. Brother, you are sending me messages, you are threatening me in my comment sections, calling me names. What do you want me to say? If the law says he was overspeeding, if they conduct their investigation and it is found out that, or then find out, say, oh, he was speeding, he was overspeeding, and this thing happened, let the law deal with him. What do I have?
Video no ewa yentimi emmoni nyina ebusua video no wa yentimi emmoni nyina mesra say wo de open full video na aha wo Kwadwo Sheldon studios wa obenya full video na o drop ya no ewo ho ebusua na utimi say ni kokwa pai wahiti edru ba bi krampo no o se eyade senka omu comment no obetime hu omu mi enyu say ya wuniye minie mbetima bompo ni mpo a enkebe ya akuturukubo kebe ya twedebo pa enye asenkumana Mike Tyson munyina album, Roman Reigns mo John Cena munyina no album cash. Ebusia mesre se obese wanyafa video a o hye ho they all can or you right and I say ode no enya adwene to me ne de Kwadwo Sheldon ekasa metiase because yama ne warning say premier renimpo onhwe no wansi ase Accra de yama ne warning Kumasi de yama ne warning utie ne nkasa enimu a Kwadwo Lilwin ebe kan say ono no Kwadwo Sheldon no afre no apane chew which was false and then Kwadwo Sheldon ame ehunu say on frɛ Lilwin na Lilwin po onim ne number enti mo amosa eko ne die mo amo e comment on the videos ase enan e wo se oka Kwadwo Lilwin asam ne bi ena say no onfa na no ntumunya den enipa mu yama no suspension ye the embargo ato ne so say oni who right oni who to me say oka ne movie no ho asam abusia message say obetche wa adwen comment section ho de Kwadwo Sheldon akan woni na ya adwen ana say woni no enya adwen beda wase na mama mo ene hwe edin no e de AJ background